a G6.
Hello? Hello?
I'm coming to get you.
I swear to God, Kyle, if it's you, I'm gonna kick you in the shins. What? Oh, you freak! Hate you. Hungry. Nachos. No. Stale. Chips. And bread. Ooh, honey bread. Honestly. Kyle, I swear to God, if it's you, so help me God, I'm gonna murder you in your sleep. Oh. Sorry, Clarissa. Yeah, we don't have any homework. Yeah, okay. I'll see you later. Okay, bye. I'll kill you. Honestly, what the frick? Ha! I win. Fine, you win. I'm just gonna take my water and my bread and turn it into one fish.
I'm champion. Please open your baskets for the dessert round. You must choose. Oh my God. Blueberries. Bread and... Exactly 30 minutes. Time starts now.
When Ted says go, 1,000 things run through my head. It's just go, 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 go,
Tell
go.
someone. Ha, ghost, I win. What?
The kid's baking. I'm very happy to see that. But you know when he eyeballed the baking powder?
I don't know, that always makes me nervous.
You do too much baking powder, you got lead.
Michael's talented, so I gotta go all out.
Hey, Ghost, do you really want to mess with me right now?
Sure. It's like going into war. Where's the,
Ghost, I really hate you right now. Really? The fan? Honestly. First the light, then the phone, then the fan, honestly. Do you have this thing with electronics that you have to, like, ruin my life with it? Honestly. What was that? What was that? No. Please don't be my homework. Please don't be my homework. Oh, God, no. Oh, God, no. No. That was biology. No. Fine, Ghost. You win. How about you just be my friend? Make it truth. Ah, now you're listening. How about you turn on the light, TV, and fan when I want you to.
In case we get something.
I got this bottle.
Okay, you got the
We have a
bottle.
deal?
So you want to roll this one over? 1, 2, 3. Let's pull it
Does that
back.
mean yes?
Oh, okay. Wow. Look very careful.
Okay, click on and off if it means yes, click once if it means no. I like that. Okay. have nowhere to shake
This type of salamander.
your hand.
Wait to tell my mom.
So,
to tell my mom that we
let's just do it with the
saw
TV first.
a salamander.
Wow.